Oh. Mommy? Yes, honey? Ginger has another tear. Oh, sweetie, I'm sorry. I can't afford to buy you another bear. You just have to make do with that one. Sorry, love. It's okay, Mommy. But I know something that'll cheer you up. Your cousin Tiffany is coming over to visit. Ooh, I have a cousin? Mm-hmm. Since your aunt and I never got along after she started dating your dad, we got a hold of each other and both agreed that it was unfair that you both didn't get to see each other. Oh, what does she look like? Well, she's blonde like me and has blue eyes. When will they be here, Mommy? Auntie Paris said around 1, but as she usually says, she likes to be fashionably late. I'm gonna go put on the prettiest thing I have. Alright, sweetie. Where? Back there. Bye, Scott. Glad that's over. You got that right. Look, Claire, I'm sorry that you have a boyfriend and all, but I don't want it to come to girl time. Yeah, it hasn't even been 24 hours yet, and you're all mushy-gushy with Scott. Sorry. It's just that Scott is one of the best things that's ever happened to me. I don't want to let it go and lose it. And you think not kissing him is gonna lose it? You know, we never get to hang out as much as we used to. Ever since my mom and dad got divorced, I pretty much have to be the mom in the house. No, cooking, cleaning, even getting the clicker for my dad. Sorry, guys. Wait, we should hang out on Saturday. We can go to the mall and maybe have like a sleepover after it. Oh yeah, I'm totally free Saturday. Too, probably. Awesome. I think it's them, Mommy. I do too, sweetheart. Hello. Hi, Auntie Michelle. Oh, hello, Tiffany. My daughter Mimi's over there if you want to go play with her. Okay. Oh, hello, Michelle. How are you doing? Oh, I'm doing well. After Rick left us, I guess it's been a little hard, but I have little Mimi to help around. I'm sorry, okay? I'm not sorry enough to not do it. Hi, Mimi. I'm the heiress, Tiffany. Oh, hi, Tiffany. What was that chest that guy was carrying? Oh, you mean Pablo? Yeah, he has all my toys in there. Oh, what kind of toys? Teddy bears. Bears? With an S? How many do you have? Over 100. Cool. I only have one, but it has a tear in it, and Mom can't afford to buy a new one. Oh well, sucks for you. Now that I think about it, I don't want you near any of my teddy bears. You might steal one. I would never do that, liar. Anyway, I have a servant. My own servant. Do you have one? Oh, my mommy is my mommy and that's good enough for me. Oh, so you can't afford one? Well, maybe we can. Nah, I doubt it. You have a horrible, ugly house, so I doubt you have a servant. Hey, that wasn't nice at all. I don't say anything nice unless it's about me. Me, all the time. Hey, stop being so rude to me. I'm not being rude, I'm just telling the truth. Well, I'm sorry that I don't have hundreds of teddy bears, or my own servant, or some pretty house like you have. Yeah, Yeah, well, you don't have all those things because you're suffering from poverty. What a crybaby. Hey, babe. Oh, hey. I missed you. You too. Go again. Yup. Hey, do you guys want to sit at my table? Shut up. The A-list table? Yeah. You know I sit there, right? I think that's a yes. Alright, see you there. Hey, do you guys know Mason Thompson sits there? I think so. Me and him went out last year. Ooh, does Georgia have a crush? No. George is in love. Oh my gosh. Mason, you're so funny. I know, right? Yeah. Oh, Mason. Hey, do you want to hang out with me on Saturday? My friend and Natalie are going star watching. Oh, wow. Sounds so romantic. So, you in? I kinda already have plans. Sorry. Hey, no biggie. It is so cold out here. Well, my lips are warm. Is that what I'm thinking? I think so. You were such a way better kisser than my girlfriend Claire. You mean the really fat one with all the acne? Yeah, that one. She's pretty fat compared to you. And she has way too much acne. And you're way much hotter than her. Do you want to go out? I thought you'd never ask. Hey, are you okay? Yeah, I couldn't be any better. And I'm free Saturday. I thought you said Sunday. Oh, cool. Can't wait to see you, babe.